Welcome to Read Natural Supply. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making delicious homemade granola and two amazing parfaits, strawberry banana and peach cobbler. Let's get started. First, for the granola, you'll need 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 of a cup of slivered almonds, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 pinches of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together in a large bowl and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine a 1/2 cup pure maple syrup with a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil and a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Pour your wet mixture into your dry ingredients and stir until everything is well coated. Spread the granola mixture on a baking sheet and bake it at 300 degrees for 45 minutes, stirring it every 15 minutes. Before using, make sure to let it cool completely. This granola is good for up to 3 weeks in an airtight container in the cupboard, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months. Now let's make the strawberry banana yogurt parfait. Start by layering some Greek yogurt at the bottom of your glass. Add a layer of fresh sliced strawberries and banana. Sprinkle a generous handful of your homemade granola on top. Repeat the layers until you've reached the top of the glass, finishing with granola and a few pieces of fruit on top. Next, we'll make our peach cobbler yogurt parfait. Begin with a layer of your Greek yogurt. Add a layer of fresh peaches and sprinkle of cinnamon if you'd like. Top it with our homemade granola and repeat the layers, finishing with a dollop of yogurt, a few slices of peaches, and a pinch of granola. And there you have it. 2 delicious and healthy yogurt parfaits with homemade granola. Perfect for breakfast or a tasty snack.